So what I want people, today we're there so with the Novsight lights them, you know, off-road pod lights, and we're gonna install them on this beautiful, you know, one today. And you know, come along with us, you know? Yeah man. Alright, so you know, right now I'm tie strapping all the wires in properly, you know, so they don't look loose all over the place. You know, I run the wires across, you know, straight across behind the firewall and go behind the battery, you know, so they don't look too bulky. So you know, we have the wires in here clean and nice. You know, after we finish, we're just gonna hook up our wires them, you know, on the positive and negative. And this one come with a fuse, so if anything should blow, this fuse will blow first, you know. Yeah, this is a 15 amp fuse.